How to prepare your car for sale, a fun and easy guide. If you finally decided to sell your car, you're in the right place. We've got you covered with a simple, step-by-step guide to prepare your car for sale and ensure you get the best value. Let's dive right in. 1. Get your paperwork in order. First things first, gather all your documents. You'll need the car's title and current registration. If there's any remaining loan, get in touch with your lender about the title transfer process. Also, gather your service records and the owner's manual. Having a complete set of documents can make your car more appealing to buyers. 2. Give your car a thorough clean. A clean car is a happy car. While this might seem obvious, it's crucial. Invest in a professional detailer to get your car sparkling inside and out. A clean car not only looks better, but can also help you get a better price. 3. Take care of minor repairs. Before listing your car, tackle any minor repairs and maintenance issues. Fixing small inconveniences means buyers won't have to worry about hidden problems. Check the tires, lights, and wipers and make sure everything is in working order. A quick tune-up can also go a long way in boosting your car's value. 4. Snap high-quality photos. These days, smartphones have excellent cameras, so use them to your advantage. Take clear, high-quality photos of your car from various angles. Good photos can make your listing more attractive and draw in more buyers. 5. Set a competitive price. Do some online research to find out what similar used cars are selling for. Use sites like Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds to help you set a competitive price. Pricing your car right is crucial for a quick sale and getting the best value. 6. Craft a compelling listing. When you're ready to list your car, make sure your description is engaging and detailed. Highlight key features, recent upgrades, and any unique aspects of your car. If you're unsure how to write a great listing, tools like ChatGPT can help you craft the perfect ad. Preparing your car for sale doesn't have to be stressful. With a bit of cleaning, some minor repairs, and a great listing, you'll be well on your way to getting top dollar. So roll up your sleeves, follow these steps, and watch your car shine in the marketplace.